Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So today we are going to open these three Supras. So let's do it like this. Instead of opening the chrome first, let's open the black one first. This is Toyota Supra from Wheelside Combat kit. So let's open this. Let's open this up. I had a few previous releases from the Supras, the very initial ones. I think GT 300 or what it was. I don't remember. I've sold it on a good price, very good price, because they were just getting old, and I knew that there are many more better castings coming. So I gave them to friends on a good money. Collector friends, not a friend's friends. So this is your base, the amazing base with the amazing huge exhaust, threaded wheels, of course. Side profile is crazy with the 5-spoke wheels. Chrome wheels look great on a black car. Wow. It says Wheelside on the side, Wheelside Combat. This is your back. This is your signature Supra back. And my camera is not able to focus it somehow. I hope it can now. Yeah, it can now. There is so much glare. This is so reflective that camera is not able to capture the back actually. No problem. Yes, now you can see the Toyota sign and exhaust and everything. And this is your front. Look at that front. We can see the radiator, of course, the Toyota logo on this, the Wheelside logo on this, Wheelside logo on the windshield as well. And this is your top profile. Isn't this look like a jet? You just need to put two wings on the side, right? It will fly. And let's see if this rolls. Yes, it rolls. It rolls really well. Let's place this here, and we are going to open the next one. The next we have is this white one. It's the same wheel side, everything is going to be same, probably just the color is different. I don't think there is any other difference, much of a difference. I don't remember what was the color it was initially released in. I mean, what it is called. I remember the color. It is metallic gray kind of. I have that also. The one I missed on a purpose is the one which was released in red. I don't like the color much. It was burnt red something. Look at the base, the exhaust, the wheels are same, the profile and everything is same, just the color is different, and it is looking just amazing on this car. Of course, if it's a Supra and it's not white, what is the point of making a Supra if you are not releasing it in white? You can see the details on the back better than previous one. We have indicators, side indicator. These are of course printed, not plastic inserts this time. This is your front. Beautiful headlights, radiators, and indicators in the front as well. These are also painted, not plastic inserts. And this is your top profile. Top profile of a jet. We have air intake here as well. This is good. It's beautiful. rolls really well, really smooth, and looks really cool side by side, both Supras. Now let's open one of the first type of car from Mini GT. I think there is no other car in chrome, I guess, that Mini GT previously have revealed or released. If there is any and I'm missing on it, please do let me know. I wanted to know about it. So the interesting part about this particular car that I see, the box is also very shiny on this one. Let me show you. See, the car is chrome, but the box is also shiny. This is not just normal red. Let me compare. See, this is normal red, this is chrome red. So they used a different kind of box for this. And it says top secret. This top secret is not that much of a secret because we know what's inside. It's a beautiful car that is waiting inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is good. This is really good. So this is your base. Base is definitely different than the one we have seen on the wheel side. You can see side by side, right? Very much. And we do not have a huge exhaust in this one because there is a plate on it. This is a plate. We have exhaust below that plate. Okay, this is nice. This is different. And the wheels look cool. I think they use the same base and exhaust on this and this. They just changed. No, this is a little bit different here. I don't know. You tell me. What do you guys think? I think they are same. It's just that they had put this plate over here. This is something extra. And see, look at those wheels. The five spoke on this car looks crazy. The color looks very different and beautiful. It's a carbon fiber on the spoiler. It has Top Secret GT 300 logo on the side and various other logos. This is your back, a chromed red back. Trust me, the video is not justifying the quality and beauty of this car. It's mesmerizing. It's just beautiful. And this is your front. Look at that front. Look at that front. Wow. We can see the radiator as well on this as well, and it has a Toyota Secret logo on it. It does not have any Supra logo or Toyota logo on it. Even on the back there is no Toyota logo on this. And this is your top. This is your top. It says Top Secret on the windscreen. There are no carbon fiber touches on this, but this is just a masterpiece in itself. And let's see if this masterpiece rolls. Let's see. Yes, it rolls very well. It rolls very well and looks so delighted. Wow, beautiful. Do let me know which of these three Supras is your favorite out of these three. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.